Hi there, Lee here from TOOJAYS Training. Now, despite being in business for over 16 years, I'm still occasionally asked, what is it you do? Well, I just wanted to explain exactly that. What we do is we take mundane, mediocre managers and turn them into inspirational, motivational, people performance-focused business and organisational leaders. How do we do that? Well, we have a variety of resources, solutions and interventions, all at different levels of depth and understanding, depending on the development need of the individual. These range from our free podcasts available at anchor.fm or on iTunes, covering a variety of relevant topical insights on leadership developments. We also have a number of free how-to videos on our YouTube channel, TOOJAYS TV. Again, these give a fantastic introduction to some of the key leadership skills and processes. Our online store, toojayshRstore.com, has leadership self-development workbooks available for immediate download. The workbooks are a combination of best practice and theory and practical exercises to embed the key concepts of that given subject. Now, currently there are over 40 amazing different titles to choose from. The store, and also available on Amazon, are where you can get hold of the highly praised leadership and coaching guides we've produced. The books provide easy access to practical tips and hints to develop the capability and effectiveness of any leader. We run a variety of inspirational and engaging training workshops, and these can be found on the book online link on the homepage of our website, toojays.co.uk. Now, as an approved ILM centre, we also offer accredited leadership courses, including Level 3 and Level 5 awards in leadership and management, and a host of ILM endorsed programmes. Details of all are again listed on the book online link. These are mainly delivered at our office site in Peterborough, but can be delivered internationally and in-house for you. Our exclusive one-to-one executive coaching enables us, through our expert coaches, to provide tailored personal leadership development for strategic and operational improvement. The 360 psychometric and behavioural analysis tools we use as catalysts for discussion and awareness add further value. Now, I'm confident that we have something either for you or your organisation's managers and leaders to utilise in order to develop their capabilities and skills. So take a look at our resources, drop a comment below or like this video and get in touch to see how we can support you. Look forward to hearing from you shortly. Thank you.